So we are heading to the seaside. We're super excited. We're going to the beach for the day. It's going to be 24 degrees, so we need to be really careful. Alex is just getting his sun cream on. This is always a big task for 3 children. But yeah, he's actually volunteered to do it himself today. And yeah, next up I'm going to tackle Zachary. So yeah, I'll let you know what we're up to when we get to the beach. Bye. Okay, so it's time for some sun cream. I really like this sun cream because you can absorb vitamin D through it, which is so important for kids. There's a lot of deficiency in vitamin D, so because it's got none of the petroleum in, like a lot of products, it actually absorbs right through the skin and looks after our little ones. Oh, Eliza's actually getting...
Can I just...
She's getting glow.
I need some sun cream.
Oh, okay. Liza's actually putting glow sticks on rather than sun cream. We're meant to be getting sun cream on, not glow sticks. Oh, and now my hands are all slippy. I can't do it, Liza. My hands are all slippy with the sun cream. Here we go. We're back in action. Oh, you don't need much, darling. That'll do your whole tummy. You don't need much. So we're all greased up, protected, and ready to go to the beach. Yay! You ready, Zachary?
And Daya.
Yay! So is Alex. Woo! Should really tidy up this mess first, but can't be bothered. It's too sunny. Right, so I think we're about packed. Gosh, you need so much stuff when you've got 3 kids. We've got buckets and spades and cricket sets, towels, blankets, sun brolly, some fruit, sun cream, sun hats, you name it, we've got it. We're ready to go! Danes Dyke, here we are. We're here! And it is absolutely gorgeous. Boys playing cricket. Zachary's climbing all over me. Oh, someone's got a barbecue on, which smells amazing. Didn't think of that one. And Eliza's in the nude, so we'll just leave her to it. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Banana time! This can be so messy at home. So I'm glad we're doing this on the beach. No, not the skins, not the skins. This bit. Too busy watching doggies playing. Some water that way. So hot. Alex. I sometimes take it for granted that this is 40 minutes away from our house. It's just stunning. Time to go! Oh, look at sexy daddy. Time to go home.